their tools. So fantastic tools, very reliable, very strong. Continuing on with all of our different trade solutions, we've got Toggler. So Togglers are fantastic, stronger than anything else I've seen on the market. So you have things like wall anchors and stuff like that. These will take a lot more weight. So you drill a hole, push it through, straighten it up, pull it down, and then you push this little bit of plastic all the way to the end and then put a screw in. And you can actually take a lot more weight on a plaster wall. So you might be mounting a TV on a plaster wall. This will take a lot more weight. And you have different sizes. So this is a big chunky size. And you also have some better quality wall anchors here. I love these. You might have a broken, for example, Cat6 cable. Trying to solder all the bits of Cat6 together is difficult and often not a great solution. So you can use these. So you put either end of that conductor of the Cat6 together. You have a little white joiner in between, and you only need low heat, and it'll melt at a low temperature, that solder, and it'll create a very good bond. So it could be a Cat6 pair, it could be a figure 8. And this is a great starter kit. Another one from the US, a patent. But basically this is a way of drilling a hole. You can run a cable out and you've got the dog legs at the back to secure it on the wall. And then we've got our standard wall plates. One of the nifty things about these wall plates is that you have the bridge. So basically what that means is you can run any cable through this wall plate and it won't feed back through the wall. Great for HDMI, because HDMI, it doesn't like to have sockets and connectors. You lose distance, so the cable bridge is a good solution. Finally here we've got all our IECs, our figure 8s. You've got some locking IECs. So if it's in a situation in which you want to make sure that the power is not lost to a device, then use the locking feature. Finally, the rack, which I'll only skim over, but there's a few different things. Obviously, you've got the rack monitors, modulators. So pretty much all the major projects in Australia specify that they must be Zycast modulators, and the only Foxtel approved modulator. You've got also there's an interesting IP streamer, the HDIP 404. So one of the unique things is this also supports Dash and HLS. So Dash for your Android devices and HLS for your Apple devices. So if you've got an iPad and you want to wirelessly look at the signal, then this one will support both at the same time. Earthquake amps here. You've got the big 1000 watt earthquake amp also, and a lot of Yamaha commercial gear. Some of it includes Dante supported gear that we spoke about earlier, and then you've got their Avantage series of amplifiers, and we've got the GUIs up also to show how it works on Windows, how it works on iOS, and how it works on Android. Thanks for listening.